What are the three types of plumbing? Plumbing can be grouped into residential, commercial, and industrial systems. Each type serves a different setting and has unique demands. Residential plumbing is used in homes to supply water and remove waste. Commercial plumbing handles more users and complex setups in offices, restaurants, and other public spaces. Industrial plumbing supports factories and plants with high-volume water, gas, and chemical flow. These systems differ in design, material, maintenance, and regulatory requirements. Understanding the three types helps property owners choose the right services for their needs. Each type plays a key role in supporting modern life and keeping environments safe, clean, and functional. Choosing the right plumber is just as important as knowing which system you have. Marchant Plumbing and Gas provides expert residential plumbing, commercial plumbing, and industrial plumbing services in Perth. Their licensed team delivers reliable solutions with a focus on safety, efficiency, and long-term performance. With offices in Rollestone, Callaroo, and Victoria Park, they are positioned to serve households, businesses, and industrial sites across the region. By partnering with Marchant Plumbing and Gas, you can trust that your plumbing system is in professional hands, keeping your property safe, compliant, and functional. So, for your plumbing needs, call the experts now, Marchant Plumbing and Gas.